All right, this is pair programming on homework number 4 with Daniel and Tatiana.
Mhm.
Here we go.
So, would you like to share me your workspace, or would you like to go to my workspace?
We can do it on yours since I'm already there as well. So
But
we can.
actually, yes, but actually I delete because from security reason I delete who don't come up. So I need to put you again.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's very important because people can take advantage. So I just delete, but I put you.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah, fair enough.
and I should them in order to put you again. I just click share, and you provide the first and last name, which is. Could you repeat, please? Your initial. What's your ID?
Oh yeah, it was D King 1286. Here, I'll put it in the chat as well.
Row, and then King. Could you repeat number? Row 36.
1286. So 1286.
1286. Okay. The King 1286, and I click invite, and I click OK, and I click done.
All right.
Now you're supposed to see again.
Okay.
Privilege to use this web workspace. So anyway, so we supposed to work for. So I start. We're supposed to work for number 1, 2, and 3 part. First part, we're supposed to work for file called movie stepper B, which is located in each directory. When you open this file, you can see this. This was before all unimplemented. But to see movie, in order to see movie, we need to implement this method. So in order to implement, I use movie, which is class, and use the create method, create option, and put inside this directory. And this movie is supposed to be this screen, and they're supposed to create every option of this movie. No class, but instance of class supposed to be created. So this is just part number 1 complete for using this part of this. So we can close this file, and we can check it out how it works. Supposed to green because assignment supposed to get green test. In order to check out, we use cucumber test, and cucumber supposed to be with option I, special option, and we can use cucumber I, and cucumber should go to directory, which is directory located feature, sort movie list feature, which is this one. In order to do right directory, we're supposed to provide kind of long path, relative path. So we try this. So this code path, we can use another option, which we use filter. We can use sort the same, but we should change name instead of feature. We sort already. We sort. Sort was already, or we use feature anyway. We use sort, or we can use like now. We can use feature.
Yeah, because they both have the same. Isn't that because they both have the same background?
So it's even don't necessarily to choose, but they both this pass this.
Yeah. So I'm also wondering if, so in this step definition that you wrote right here, where it says given the following movies exist, and then you use the method to create the movie using that data. I'm wondering if inside of that same step definition, we should also put some kind of a test condition, like a expect that there are, let's see, how many movies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 10 movies. And I'm wondering if we should also put something inside of that step definition to check to make sure that after we do that, there actually are 10 movies in the database?
I don't think so. I think part 1 is finished as is. So I don't think so. But we need the work for another this part. And no, it's actually for part number 1 and part number 2 supposed to work and change something.
Okay.
Do you think that we're supposed to put something in a file that I already done? We're talking about, I don't think so, but what do you think differently? Do you think differently? You can add something if you want to. So,
Well, let me, let's see.
Can you print and type if you want? I give you permission.
I'm not sure if I can print and type on your terminal, because when I pull up a terminal on mine, that's funny, I was able to before, but now when I pull up a terminal on mine, can you see me typing on it right now?
Not, I don't see you.
Okay.
But actually, I can give you permission for workspace. I can share. I already share already.
Yeah, so I think I can type on your files, but I don't think I'm seeing your terminal.
You don't see my terminal? Do you see my terminal?
I don't see your terminal. I see it on the Google Hangout, but I don't see it on my in my browser.
But I see something in my browser. I think it's yours because you invite me. So, so how can we proceed? What's your suggestion? To proceed further. You wanna do something in your terminal regarding on part number 1 and part number 2. Actually, it's not necessary for us to complete all work. We need to show that we can use this environment.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go in your terminal.
Okay. All right, so let's see. I'll pull up a terminal here.
You know, I have very big vision in your terminal. Can you give me permission to your real terminal? Because this is kind of not enough. It's like very, very, I don't see good enough. Maybe it's cannot be done anything.
Let's see, maybe. Let's see. If you, what if you go up to where it says share? Is there like an option in there to share your terminal with me?
You're talking about if I go to homework 4. Not. If I go to you're talking about that I go to this.
No, I mean. Yeah.
If I go to 9, cloud 9, and.
Well, no, but what about if you go to, okay. What about if you go to,
share with me, and click share with me,
right,
and give permission. Share with me, I click on this, and now loading, we should wait. So, click share with me, but some people will share with me, but where I put your name? Share with me, click on share with me, but where it is?
So I haven't shared mine with you. I think you only shared yours with me. So I'm wondering. So that we can see what each other is typing in the terminal. Can you go back into your workspace really quick?
Yes, I'm here right now.
Okay. And can you go up to where it says share in the top right again?
Yes, I click on share.
Okay. And is there a thing? Is there? Editor application.
I saw your name. Read and
right. Yeah.
And
yeah.
Read only, but I should practice read and write. Read only.
Yeah.
Read only, but I don't want to read only. I want to read write. No, now.
Yeah.
You read and write, but what's about you?
I'm still in the read only. If you I
want to read and write. I click on read and write. So what more? Maybe now I click on read and write.
Well, right. Click on. Hang on. Wait. Click on read only really quickly again.
After I click on read only.
Okay. Sorry. One more time. There. Okay. There I am. So now can you switch me over to read and write? But do you see the little switch that's next to my name that says R?
So
I think if you flip that switch, okay, now I'm on the read and write.
So it's good now.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can read and write whatever you want to regarding assignment number 4 in this
Okay.
email. Okay, so you would be able to do. So you
Okay.
can do, what's your suggestion about part number 1 or part number 2?
Okay, let's take a look at, I'm going to take a look at part number 2 really quick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Doesn't matter how the system. Okay. I agree. Okay, so part 2, happy paths for filtering movies.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'll put this in here so we can record the fact that I'm reading this. Happy paths for filtering movies. Complete the scenario, restrict to movies with PG or R ratings in filter movie list feature. You can use existing step definitions in web steps to check and uncheck the appropriate boxes, submit the form, and check whether the correct movies appear. Okay.
Yes, would be nice if complete if you can do R or RG possibility. If somebody click RRG, it would be able to have destination exactly this option.
Yeah. So, okay. So it's this one, this scenario right here, restrict to movies with PG or R ratings.
Yes, exactly.
So,
yes.
So something like given that I am.
When you did, can you type on my?
Yeah, I think I am. I think I am typing on your.
No, but
file.
I didn't. You don't see in my tab. Which file you take? Because
I'm on the filter movie list.feature file right now.
So you type in where your cursor. Can I maybe close all file in order to be in close file? They ask me when I save or not. Probably I don't want to save anything.
Wait. Could you see that line that I just typed right there? Can you go back into that file really quick?
Which file? Right now, all file closed in my terminal. All file closed.
Right, but so I'm still in the filter movie list.feature file.
Mm-hmm. So you wanna miss that I go to feature directory and go to this file feature, and you wanna which one is movie?
Yeah, that one, filter movie list.
I open this file.
Okay, so can you see that? Can you see that line that I just typed? Can you see me typing?
Not, I didn't see.
No?
I see some cursor near. But now I see something. You delete or something?
Yeah.
Okay, I see the cursor. Now I see.
Okay, cool. So I guess it's just updating slowly for some reason. But there we go. So this scenario, how can we describe this scenario? So given that I am on the home page, when I, let's see, is there a step is there a step definition for being on the home page? Like given that I am on the home page or something like that? Okay, yeah, it looks like there is. So there's a step given I am on the home page, when I check the following ratings are, PG R. When I uncheck the following, when I check the following ratings, and then so we also need to uncheck all the other text boxes. So all the other check boxes. So when I uncheck the following ratings, G and PG-13. Let's see. So then what's the step? So this step right here, enter step to submit the search form on the home page. Does it, like when I click on
Submit button. Submit button.
is that what the button is called? The submit button?
Yes, submit button. Not sure about, but I know there's button called submit.
Okay. When I click on, see, is that what it is? When I fill in, when I go to, when I press. Oh, when I press.
Press.
That's what it's called. When I press submit, then I should see something. Then I should see.
Yes. You should show this one. I can see this movie, PG and R movie. I should see PG and R movie are visible. You can just maybe copy and paste. I should see.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's an actual step definition that kind of matches what we're trying to say.
Mm-hmm.
Then I should see. Oh, I think there's maybe something going on. Did you?
You have direction in your direction close now. What direction say?
Oh,
direction was this assignment.
Well, yeah, I was to. You can use the existing step definitions in web steps to check and uncheck the appropriate boxes, submit the form, and
Maybe
check
we
whether
can
the correct movies appear.
Once we go to web steps, Serbia, maybe
Okay.
take a look.
So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. But I guess I'm a little bit concerned by the syntax highlighting. Like, to see how this stuff right here is in like Ruby colors, but this stuff right here is green.
Yes, green it's mean Ruby stuff and something this a lot
Well, I think the green means that it thinks it's like inside of a regular expression or something like that. So why does it think that?
we should take something, even copy and paste from this file for another somehow, but need to copy and paste right portion. So when
Okay. Well, okay. So then I should see. Let's see, ratings with PG and R. So then I should see The Incredibles. Then I should see Raiders of the Lost Ark. I'm basically entering in the movies that have PG and R ratings. I'll use the word and I should see Raiders of the Lost Ark, and I should see Emily, and I should see When Harry Met Sally, and I should see The Terminator. Okay.
Terminator, you don't finish this work. Yes, now good. It's late. It's late.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then also we need to enter some steps to ensure that the other movies, the ones that should be filtered out, are not visible. So the ones with G and PG-13 ratings. So, and I should not see, Aladdin. and I should not see the help, and I should not see chocolat, and I should not see 2001: A Space Odyssey. And I should not see Chicken Run. Okay.
Yes, it's good. But
Cool.
what all ratings selected, you should maybe take all and copy and paste all stuff, kind of like this.
Yeah, like pass it all at once rather than having a whole bunch of different steps.
Kind of, because they're all related. All should be paid.
Yeah. I think maybe that's actually what the next part of the directions are. Actually, so yeah, since it's tedious to repeat steps such as when I check the PG checkbox and I check the R checkbox, etc.
Then don't want a tedious. What's another option for tedious? Just copy and paste.
So apparently you can sort of combine them together, create a step definition to match a step such as, sorry, what did you say?
No, talking about you can just copy and paste and delete not instead of not all would be C. No, anyway, it needs something programmatically. You need to do something step definition. They advise to create some step definition. Yes, something.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see is there a when I follow, when I go to, when I'm within, when I'm looking at the web steps right now.
So I'm gonna go to Hangout.
When I check. Oh, okay. So let's try this.
Try out.
I'm gonna, well, this won't work right now because this step right here, this step that says when I check the following ratings, PG/R, then there's no step definition that fits that. So we need to, so first to see if this will pass in Cucumber, I'm actually going to, I'm going to expand this out and kind of list everything out. So when I check PG and I check R, when I uncheck G and I uncheck PG13, when I press submit, then I should see The Incredibles and I should see Raiders of the Lost Ark and I should do. So I think right now, this whole long list of steps right here, I think that this should be runnable by Cucumber and it might pass.
Okay, let's try.
Shall we try running it?
Why not? So just we close file. Let's do it.
Let's see. Let me pick up a terminal here.
You wanna close file?
Okay. Let's see. CD, homework, BDD.
I didn't see where you put typing. File didn't close. You need close file in order to file. File, close file.
I don't think you need to close the file as long as it's saved. So I didn't close it, but I saved it. So I think it should be fine.
Okay, well, how can you type in terminal? I didn't see where you typing.
Oh, so right now I'm I opened up a new terminal and I'm not sure why we're not sharing the terminal as well, but I am recording what I'm typing, so we'll be able to see it.
Close file. Maybe just you all save anyways. Close file. And I just more clean, just close file and do the same terminal. Can you type this in terminal, the command that I see? This one. Cucumber. You wanna
Right.
cucumber, just cucumber and that's it?
Right. So I think it's cucumber features slash.
I wanna see what you're doing.
Can you look at the Hangout to see what I'm doing? Because
Google Hangout, I can see, yes.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
So cucumber. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just make sure that.
Your terminal, yes, because it's very bad vision. Okay, I thought magnified glasses. Okay.
Okay, that's not the right one. Okay. Oh, that's right. I need to go into rotten potatoes, and then, and is there a thing called okay, and there's a thing called features.
And then what?
And that's where it is. Okay, good. So now I'm going to go cucumber features slash filter movie list dot feature.
I think you should maybe use I capital in order.
Oh, yeah.
Cucumber just slash dash I capital.
Oops.
Not slash, but like far away.
Yeah, dash.
Dash. That's right.
Okay, here we go. So let's see what it does.
A lot of red, probably.
Okay.
Oh, it's good. Looks good. No, there is actually something not pass. Not completely. See, it's a present. I don't think it's maybe need to use another file. What they say? I didn't see. It's unclear.
Oh.
What?
Oh, I think it's. Oh, it says. So there's a problem with this first step right here. When I check PG, there's a problem with that, and so I think maybe. Okay, let's look at the web steps really quick. I think the problem might be that the name of that checkbox isn't PG. The name of that checkbox is ratings
RG.
PG.
Yes, it should be no, PG is this.
I think I'm thinking back to when we were actually working on this app in homework 3. And if I remember correctly, the name of the checkbox isn't actually PG.
Yes.
So I think it's ratings PG.
Yeah, looks like, yes, something.
But let's see what it does now if we run that. Let's see if it passes that one, if it's able to find that correct checkbox.
Yeah, go to
Okay.
It's getting less red, and yes.
One step failed. What did it? Oh, that's because I didn't do the. Did I do the I? Oh, I did do the I. Wait. Scenario: restrict to movies with PG. Or did it not give us? Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Okay. So now it did pass the ratings one.
Mm-hmm.
So now we just need to say. So it passed the PG one. So now we need to make the same change to the R one. It'll be the same one. It'll be the same for all these other ones. All right, let's try it now. See if it can recognize those checkboxes.
No, it's something still. No, that's.
Well, so more of them are passing now. So I'm looking at my terminal, and you can see there's more green this time.
Yes, more greens. Yes, and middle of red.
Yeah.
Somehow. Yes, but it's mostly pass, except that this action.
Yeah. So it's not able to find the button submit. So I think there's something wrong with this name. Like we need to give it a different name in order to find the button that we want it to press.
A different name for submit, but it's like you cannot change the name. Submit.
Well, I think in order to find that name, we'll have to actually go into the Rotten Potatoes app and find what the name of that button was, so that we can give it the proper name.
Okay, so let's go to Rotten Potato application and we should go to maybe view.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, I think so. And you know what? Can we actually switch driver and navigator?
Yes,
So you want to drive for a little bit?
Yes. So we're gonna go to change. We're gonna go to view, which is located in application. Application, open application folder, and we're gonna go to application. We go to view, which is this, and we should go to movies. And probably should to index HTML, or which we wanna go to index. I think index HTML. We open
Yeah,
index
I believe so.
and we can see what's name of this. We can see name of this button, which is create error rating release the submit button. We should blah blah blah. Give the rating.
Oh, I think it was up at the top. It was in that first kind of whole block of text is where the form is.
You're talking about rating, more information, and we need submit button. I didn't see submit button. Where? All movies, rating, more information. You're talking about it?
I think it's the button that says refresh, I believe.
Refresh link to refresh. They don't exist.
But it's like in the middle.
In middle. Okay. Include the rating. Submit tag. Refresh this. So instead of maybe submit, we need to click refresh.
Yeah.
So we need to go to refresh and change. In order to this, we should go to again, which is filter movie. Not, we should go to movie stepper B. No,
I think it's filter. I think it's in the feature that we want to do.
It's feature, not in this. I know in feature, but in feature four file actually. Movie, filter, and sort movie. They kind of similar but have difference. So we should go to filter.
Yeah.
Filter, and instead of submit, we should put rating.
Yeah.
And so I put this. Okay. Looks good. And now save. Nothing.
I think it might be misspelled.
Okay, maybe.
I think no I after the A.
No, okay, sorry about that.
Yes.
Good. So now save.
Yeah.
Okay, now save. Just moment. File save. Close. I would prefer that this close file. This is more clear. Maybe close all file. Close file.
Okay.
Okay. So now just maybe what's this feature? Sort movie feature. This one. You wanna this?
Isn't it filter movie list?
This exists too. Yes, there's an option. You can do this. Kind of. Yes, it's right. It's filter. It's not sort. Anyway, so I need change for filter. Sorry about
Well, some of those are passing too, though. Okay, that's good.
Yes, so some they kind of have similarity. So instead of feature, instead of sort, I need to.
Yeah. Filter. Isn't it filter?
Yeah, Control C and would be.
Oh.
No, it's not. It's not good. Control C, it's option. For some reason, so it's not. It's not feature, but it's filter. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, filter like this.
Yeah.
In English, second language, like everything.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. still, so filing scenario, cucumber filter movie list feature, 24 line 24.
Okay.
And see, take a look, number 24, which is this one, scenario.
Yeah.
Scenario.
I think if you scroll up in the terminal, it'll tell you what steps actually failed.
Okay, I need close to this. Fail. Cucumber feature filter movie list 24. This restrict to movie with RG. Something restriction with RG. So you can go back and take a look.
But that's the scenario that failed, but we don't know what step within that scenario failed. So I think if you go in the terminal, if you scroll up more, I think there we go. So now we can see what actual step.
Unable to find button rating. They cannot find button rating. So
wasn't it what was it? Refresh?
Yes, it was refresh. Supposed to enable it was button, please. It's located step 53. You can go to web step 53, but it's pointing to web file. Maybe
I think it's like it's triggering that step definition, but I don't think the problem is in that file. I think the problem is in the filter movie list.feature file.
Which line number?
Let's see. It's on line number 32.
Where is the number line 32?
Yeah, there we go. So filter movie list.feature line 32.
53, I see. But it's okay. We're gonna go to filter movie. We go to filter again. Open this file and to number 32, which is this rating. Not rating, but like not rating, but what's name? Like,
refresh.
When I press rating, when I press rating.
But but the button was called refresh.
So we should change not rating, but refresh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. Okay. Let's try that.
It's supposed to be filter, okay. Beautiful, huh? Looks good.
Did it all pass? Oh,
yes.
Excellent.
So what's now? This is good. This pass all ratings something.
Yeah.
Now what's step number? Which step number?
Let's see. In the directions. So I'm looking at the directions. Part 2, step number 2. So it says, since it's tedious to repeat steps such as when I check the PG checkbox and I check the R checkbox, etc. Okay, so we're going to create a new step definition to match a step like, given I check the following ratings, G, PG, R. This single step definition should only check the specified boxes and leave the other boxes as they were. Hint, this step definition can reuse existing steps in websteps.rb, as shown in the example in section 7.9 in the book. Okay. So
step RB, so this should change this something. This step definition located in the movie step. We should change some this in this file.
Let's see. Yes. So
how come you maybe that as well? We need to do something this major, do new step definition.
Yeah.
Well.
It looks like they're giving us a lot of hints though, in terms of how to do it. So it looks like the that regular expression right there, it has those two different capture groups, the parentheses groups. And it looks like the second one, the one that's at the end where it says when I uncheck the following ratings, parentheses. So it looks like that parentheses group is going to capture the list of ratings that you want the person to that you want to be checked. And so
And they just mean that we should use split.
yeah.
Split to split the rating list. Something.
Yeah. And then iterate over that ratings list. So it'll be like a dot each thing.
No. But so how can we do definition? This is the hint provide, but what about start with insurance, blah blah. This we should take off and put something else instead of.
Well,
or maybe.
But I think right. But I don't think that's not the one we're doing right now, though, is it?
Why we cannot do this?
Well, I mean, we can't. I mean, we can, but that's going to be for the sorting rather than the filtering. So I think we. Yeah. So at least if we want to follow along in the order that the directions say, then we should do that one that starts on line 27 first.
Okay.
Because that's the one. Yeah.
When uncheck the следующий rating, do uncheck something rating list. Hint use string split to split the using balance. Okay. We have some expression, some special bugs in order to check, you know this. Okay.
Yeah, isn't there a thing where uncheck?
Then uncheck the следующий rating, то есть everything uncheck. Everything looks like star is like everything uncheck. Do uncheck rating list. So when I uncheck, what's uncheck? Everything uncheck because he put star.
Yeah. So yeah, the whole so the star is gonna, or that whole entire little expression right there is gonna capture the list of ratings that the person passes in. And I believe, so you see how that regular expression has the two different like parentheses groups?
You're talking about regular expression. This, yes, it's right. This is different, yes.
So I believe the way that works is that the first little parentheses group where it says un question mark is going to be, that's this. I wish I could click and drag to highlight things.
What can you do? Why I give you permission? Can you just drive a little depend what we should supposed to do?
Okay. Can you actually can you look at the Google Hangouts for a moment?
Google Hangout.
Yeah. Just so you can see on my screen, and I'll make it.
Nothing to see. It's like you know, 1 millimeter screen. I see your screen general, but what you're doing, it's very unclear. Not like mine.
Okay.
Yes, I cannot see. Maybe you can copy and paste on my something like, and I would be able to see. We have bugs in my down, and you have permission, so because I wouldn't be able to see what you're doing.
Yeah. Well, I know. Okay.
Wondering expression. What's supposed to be expression?
Yeah. So I think what's happening here is that, do you see where I'm highlighting right here?
I see your cursor. Yes, I see.
Okay. Okay. So that little parentheses group right there is going to be captured by this variable, that variable right there. So I believe I believe that that variable will end up being true if the regular expression detects that they wrote un right there, and it'll be false otherwise. So if the step in Cucumber says when I check the following ratings, then this little group will not be there, and this variable will be false. But if the Cucumber step says when I uncheck the following ratings, then that group will be there in the regular expression match. And so this variable will end up being true.
Mm-hmm. So it's kind of opposite, true and false kind of changing by.
Yeah. And then this parentheses group right here is going to capture the whole entire ratings list that the person types. So if they type something like this, when I uncheck the following ratings, P, G, G, R, then this parentheses capture group is going to capture this whole entire list that they passed in.
I can understand. More than 3, more than like entire, like 7, they capture maybe 5.
Right. And then that's going to be, and then that's what this variable is going to be. So this ratings list variable is going to be like just this string right here, this string of the ratings that they typed in.
So what's your time frame? By the way, you can work on, we can continue, so we can actually finish session. What's your plan for?
Oh, I'm pretty much open all day. So I'm game to keep going if you are.
So what's about if we meet about, no meet, Hangout continues about 2 p.m.?
2 p.m.?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good.
For right now. So maybe we finish it in case this session for now, and you send me link and we can continue then, okay?
Yeah, that sounds good.
So send me link right now, and we have one session done for now, but we can continue to work with this project, okay?
Yeah. Yep. So I'll send you the link to the YouTube video for this recording, and I'll also send you the times that we switched driving and navigating so that we can list that out when we submit the assignment as well.
Actually, it's not necessary. Usually I have 100, no, it's okay. But usually I have a good grade, but it's not really necessary.
Yeah.
So, because people can switch very often and sometimes more long, it can be predictable. So, anyway. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Just I'm waiting till 2 p.m. and send me right now, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Okay, thank you. Bye for now.
Bye.